morning, friends! In this video, I will be teaching you how to play Island Song, aka Come Along With Me, aka the Adventure Time ending theme. Let's go! The chords that you're going to need for this song are A, D, G, B minor, F sharp 7, and E7. And pro tip, if you are more of a beginner or F sharp 7 is too difficult for you, you can substitute F sharp minor. We have two strumming patterns for this song. First, I'm just demonstrating on an A. We have down, down, up, down, up. You've probably used this strum before if you've played ukulele. It's a very basic ukulele strum. And then we have down, down, up, down, down, up. And that one looped sounds like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So let's take a look at the first verse and see how those strumming patterns fit in. We're starting on an A chord, and we're starting with that down, down, up, down, down, up. So our first line is going to be on an A, down, down, up, down, down, up. Switch to D, same strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, down, up. Again on G, same strumming, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then you go to B minor, and that B minor switches to your down, down, up, down, up. For our second line, we are going to have D, A, and G, and we're going to play D, down, down, up, A, down, down, up, G, down, down, up, down, up. So our strumming pattern of down, down, up, down, down, up is split between the D and the A. So let me play those first two lines so you can hear what it sounds like. We have, starting on A, down, down, up, down. For the next line, we're going to continue with our down, down, up, down, up on B minor, G, D, and A. So, we can wander through the forest and do so as we please. And for the second half of this verse, that same pattern of strumming patterns repeats. So let's go all the way through that first verse. Next, we are in our chorus, and we are going to exclusively be using down, down, up, down, up as our strumming pattern. So starting on an F sharp 7, let's go all the way through that chorus. All of my collections, I'll share them all with you. Maybe by next summer, we won't have changed our tune. Then we go into our next verse, which has the same progression as the first verse. So here we go. I still want to be with the butterflies and bees, making up new numbers and living so merrily. And the same goes for our next chorus, so let's go straight through that. All of my collections, I'll share them all with you. I'll be here for you always, and always be with you. Then we have our outro, which is almost the same as our verses, except for the last line. So for our last line, we're actually going to use the strumming pattern that we used for our first line of the verses. So that was the down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So for the first half of this line, we have D, A, B minor, down, down, up, A, down, down, up, B minor, down, down, up, down, up. Then for the second half of that line, we have G, A, and D is just one down strum. So G, we have down, down, up, A, down, down, up, D. So let's go through that outro. Come along with me, and the butterflies and bees. We can wander through the forest and do so as we please, living so merrily. And that is everything that you need to know, so let's go straight through the song. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If it was, please make sure that you like or dislike. If you didn't like it, that's cool too. Or also subscribe, ding the bell, you know, all the YouTuber stuff. If you want to see more of me, I actually have a second channel because I am learning to figure skate and it's like super fun, so I made a video about that. So check that out if that sounds interesting to you. Maybe you're a Yuri on Ice fan. I don't know. I am also, so cool. Yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time.